Batteries are dead. Hurry! Get the bug, honey!
I don't see him.
He's in there. Just wiggle it a little bit. Wiggle it.
Stop laughing!
Get the bug, honey! Get the bug. Get it.
Put in the box.
Did you get him?
Outside.
She just threw the whole box outside.
My carrot's outside. You eat my food now. Shut up! Go away!
It's good stuff. Can't get that better.
You guys are mean. Want to go eat the bug?
See? I'm just kidding. What lie's right there? I'm just kidding.
You fucking asshole! God. Mean.
That was funny. Let's go to Fred Meyer.
What?
Let's go to Fred Meyer.
Why?
I don't know.
What do you want to go to Fred Meyer's for?
Weird. Chick flick's gay. Gay chick flick. Noodles. Why are you both begging? My noodles! Mine!
Look at him. Look at him. Are there any noodles in that hand? No, I'm not interested. You want noodles, Mazda. You want noodles.
He said mine.
Mozzie. Mazda.
Fucker, I wanted
Look
that.
at him.
Is that good? Yeah. Hey, Boogie. Look
What the hell is he doing?
like a retarded octopus.
Stand up.
He looks oh so happy.
I think he looks happy.
Yeah, that's...
He looks like the dog in The Grinch when they tie the... Doesn't he?
Yeah. I'm so sorry, Boogie.
Let me take it off. Go ahead.
Take it off, Boogie.
Oh, okay, come on. I'll rip this fucking hat apart. Look at him. Now let's see what happens if I put it back on him. Wait, you gotta give it back to me. Look, I don't like that idea. Such a handsome boy. No, no, no. Come here. Come here. Head up. Head up. Head up.
like it because
Look at me.
it keeps my ears warm.
Look at me.
Wait, I gotta put it on sideways because I'm gangsta. Balls on. Balls off.